Today we're going to show you how to lay out your track. We've chosen a pretty common layout. We call this an L-shaped track. You can see there's going to be 2 runs of track that ends at 2 existing walls. So the first thing to determine is the length of each run of your track. We've chosen an 18-foot run and a 20-foot run. The next thing to determine is your corner. If you put a curve on the corner, it's a 90-degree radius, 90-degree 24-inch radius curve. It takes 2 feet away from each side. So we've drawn that in here. You can see 2 feet being taken up by this curved track. So we started with 18 feet and we're losing 2 feet here. We now need to make up 16 feet of track. We started with 20. We're losing 2 for the curve. And we now need to make up 18 feet of track. Good. So next we're going to lay out our straight track. To get to 16 feet, we're going to utilize 5-foot track and 6-foot track. We're going to fill in a 6-foot track here and then 2 5-footers. So 5, 10, 16, 17, 18. Perfect. Over on the 20, we're going to fill in 3 6-foot tracks. 6, 12, 18 plus 2 equals 20. This is what our layout will look like. The next thing we need to do is block out the connectors and split supports. Now, when you order from our e-commerce platform, the 90-degree turns have plain connectors welded onto the end of them, and they come with 2 split supports included in the package. So we have shown that these parts are all included with the 90-degree curve. Additionally, you'll need a plain connector everywhere 2 straight tracks meet each other. So you can see we've drawn those in with black squares. And your split supports will be used to support the track at their ends and at 5 to 6 foot intervals. So starting with the 6-foot track, you can see we need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. With the 5-foot track, we count 1, 2. The curve package, which in this case includes the 2 split supports and the 2 welded on plain connectors, we need 1. Plain connectors between straight tracks would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Split supports, excluding the 2 that come with the curve, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trolleys depend on the width of your curtain, but they are 1 per foot. In this case, 20 feet plus 18 feet gives us 38 feet. We would likely get about 40 trolleys. And adjustable end stops need to go 1 at each end, so 2 in total, to stop the trolleys from rolling out of the track. And that is how you would lay out this track.